Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Today Horoscopes News, your go-to channel for all things astrology, tarot, and everything in between. Are you a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces? If so, this one's for you, because today we're diving deep into the world of water signs tarot, exploring what makes water signs unique, how they connect with tarot, and what messages the cards might have for you. Ready? Let's flow. First off, let's talk about water signs. If you were born under Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, you're ruled by the element of water. And what does water represent in astrology and tarot? Emotions, intuition, depth, and flow. Water signs are deeply connected to their feelings and often have a natural psychic or intuitive ability. Sounds familiar? Just like the ocean, water signs can be calm and soothing, or intense and turbulent. This emotional depth makes them incredibly attuned to tarot readings, where intuition plays a huge role. For example, let's say you're feeling overwhelmed by emotions. A quick shuffle and pull might reveal the Five of Cups, a card that often reflects feelings of loss or disappointment. For a water sign, this card might resonate as a reminder to acknowledge emotions but not dwell on what's gone. Instead, focus on what remains. In tarot, the suit of cups represents the element of water. Cups are all about emotions, relationships, creativity, and intuition. Everything water signs excel in. So, when a water sign gets a tarot reading, they often find that cup cards resonate deeply with their life experiences. For example, the Ace of Cups often represents a new emotional beginning, while the Queen of Cups symbolizes compassion and psychic sensitivity, qualities that Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are known for. Let's say you're a Scorpio and you pull the Queen of Cups. This card might encourage you to trust your emotional intelligence in navigating a tricky relationship or to nurture others without losing yourself. Now, let's get specific with some tarot messages for each water sign. Cancer. Cancer. Your nurturing energy is your superpower, but don't forget to take care of yourself too. If you pull the Ten of Cups, it's a reminder to cherish your family and emotional connections. Meanwhile, the Chariot encourages you to stay on course and trust your inner strength. Example: imagine you're facing a tough decision about moving to a new city. The Chariot might appear, urging you to take control of your path and move forward with confidence. Scorpio. Scorpio, you're known for your transformation and depth. The Death card, often misunderstood, is actually your card in the tarot, representing rebirth and change. If you pull the High Priestess, trust your intuition and inner wisdom to guide you through life's mysteries. Example: let's say you're going through a major life change, maybe ending a relationship or switching careers. The Death card shows up, reminding you that endings are just the start of new beginnings. Embrace the transformation. Pisces. Pisces, you're the dreamer and spiritual soul of the zodiac. The Moon card represents your deep connection to the subconscious. If you pull the Page of Cups, it's a sign to stay open to creative inspiration and new emotional experiences. Example: feeling confused about a recent situation? The Moon card might appear, advising you to trust your instincts even if things seem unclear. Look beyond the surface for hidden truths. Want to get the most out of your tarot readings as a water sign? Here are a few tips. 1. Trust your intuition. Water signs have a natural gift for sensing what lies beneath the surface. Trust those gut feelings when interpreting the cards. Example: say you pull the Three of Swords, a card representing heartbreak. Instead of focusing only on the pain, let your intuition guide you toward what this situation is teaching you. Use water elements. Enhance your readings by placing a bowl of water nearby or lighting a candle to represent your element. It helps set the right vibe. Journal your readings. As emotional beings, writing down your tarot insights can help you process your feelings and track recurring themes. Example: for instance, If you notice, you keep pulling cards like the Two of Cups or Knight of Cups. Journaling can help you see patterns in your relationships and emotional growth. That's it for today's deep dive into water signs tarot. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on your next cosmic update. And hey, let me know in the comments below which water sign you are and what your favorite tarot card is. I love reading your insights. Until next time, stay intuitive, stay magical, and keep flowing.